Okay, third up today, another EP3 Civic, and this one is in for an ECU exchange, and then we're going to map it. This one has come an extremely long way to be here today, so we're happy that it's made it, and we're going to do stock power run, see what she's putting out, do the ECU exchange, and then start tuning. So, okay, here we go. Okay, so she's strapped down and on the dyno, and it's now time for us to do our standard power run, find out what pony she's got after all these years, and then we'll do an ECU exchange. So here we go, first power run on this vehicle. Okay, so initial power run done, and it has made 202 brake horsepower. I like this sticker. It's a good sticker. So now it's time to do the ECU exchange and get map a lap in. Okay, why?
I'm not having that.
You are the boss.
I'm not the boss.
He's the boss,
I'm not. I'm not having that.
Who's the boss?
People don't expect me to do things if they think I'm the boss.
Who's the boss then?
You are.
On paper, maybe. On paper.
Yeah.
Right, EP3, Civic, TypeR.
Unexpected this one today.
Yeah, third of the day. We managed to squeeze them in, so there we go. Happy customer.
Yeah, young man travelling up from the Isle of Wight to another known company, but unfortunately the ferry was delayed this morning.
Delayed or cancelled?
Delayed or cancelled this morning. So contacted said company and said they hadn't got any slots, they couldn't accommodate him past his actual booking slot.
Which is fair enough.
Which is fair enough.
It is fair enough.
So he gave us a call. We said, well, actually, we haven't actually got a slot at 3 o'clock today if you want to do it. But we're just having to scrabble around and find an ECU then because we hadn't got one.
Yeah.
Luckily, we've got an ECU in one of our own cars that we've pilfered to get this young man done.
That's all right. We've managed to get it. We've managed to get him done, so that's all good news.
Yeah.
Mapped up all right. Finished on 222. All the little ducks.
Yeah, all the little ducks all in a row. Yeah, 222. I think there's a bit more in there. I think the exhaust not necessarily the best flowing exhaust out there in the world, and the Teggy Rare box is not necessarily my favourite.
Not your favourite.
I think we could have made a bit more.
I think our YouTube followers know it's not your favourite.
Yeah. So I think we could have made a little bit more there, but you know, presented with what we've got, that's what we've made.
Indeed.
We've made some good gains all the way through, and it's a nice smooth graph. So
it is, and it sounds immense. Yeah. So great, a great car, and I'm sure you have lots of fun on the way home. So, want to look at the graph?
Go on then.
Let's look at the graph. Okay, so red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, extended the rev range, lowered the VTEC, made a big punch in that mid-range, loads more power there, and we finish on 222 brake horsepower, which is 194 at the wheels. So there we go, beautiful in white. Hope you like it. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Championship white, code word, like and subscribe and all that jazz. Don't forget to check out Uncle Keith's paint shop, especially if you've got a red EP3 Civic and you want it painted white. Give Uncle Keith a shout and he'll look after you. Anything else to say, Rich?
No, that's it, I'm done.
Right, okay, we'll see you on the next video, won't we, mate?
We will indeed.
We will.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.